Righting, welcome to today's video. We are going to go through pull-ups.
First thing you want to do is make sure your hands are the right width. We don't want to be too wide, that's not going to be very good. We don't want to be too narrow, we're not going to have enough room to get our chest in the gap. The best thing to do is just bring your hands up and 90 degrees from the side. That's going to be around the width that we want to get. Second hands on, you can either wrap your thumbs around the bar or you can keep them neutral here, so your thumbs don't necessarily have to wrap around if you wanted to. From here, I'm going to pull and try and get my chin over the bar. When I do this, one of the first things I want you to think about, so as I've got hold of the bar, I'm actually going to think about like externally rotating my hands. As you can see me kind of pull back into that position. What I'm basically trying to do is that. So imagining that I'm pushing my hands in that position. That's going to get me to a nice position. It's going to lock me down into my lats. It's going to get my chest up. It's going to allow me to pull from a better position. I'm going to pull, chest up over, controlled out. Head's going to come through and just work through that position there. Each time, try and get your head over the bar if you can. And keep that chest always up to the ceiling. We don't want to see anything where your body's coming through like this. Try not to lift your knees up. Just allow yourself a dangle. Some people will have their feet straight out in front of them when they do it. Come look into that position. Some people will have them up like this. So whatever feels most comfortable to you. From here, when you come down, then just relax into the bottom. We want to come all the way down and straight back up. Thanks for watching. My name's Charlie. This is Hut With Mind. We'll see you on next one.